update. It's your boy Ron here. Welcome back to the channel. So I thought I'd share with you that I got another set of new wheels. It's a little bit bigger than my usual wheels that I usually buy. I actually got 17-inch this time. Found it on the marketplace. Autostrada Modenas. It is a pretty weak offset and pretty weak spec, so it was a bit of a steal. Come with a full sets of tires, pretty good thread on it too. Now just one of them has a bit of a slow leak, so I have pulled it apart, and then the leaks actually come up from a couple of these nuts. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove this old silicone in here and then put a new one in. I think I got it as clean as I want it to be. Now it's time to mask it and then slap the silicone on. Pretty happy with that. I'm just gonna wait for it to completely dry, so maybe I'm just gonna leave it till tomorrow and take the tape off.
Several days later.
I'll give it another squirt. Nah, she's not bubbling. Is she good? I actually sold my Autostrada Modena to my yoga instructor. Where are you, John? There he is. Fuck, it doesn't want to follow you, G. There you go. Yoga instructor for his ex-taxi car.
Not ex-taxi car, still a taxi.
Still a taxi. Bye-bye wheels. Goes to the good height before. And a little bit of height adjustment, and I believe camber adjustment, and he even put a new seat. And then now his taxi look like this. Oy. Bro, you're gonna get so much more ride from this, bro. It just looks so on his car. So let's get some sick ass rolling shot and some main cinematic, and yeah, let's get to it. That's a wrap on this video, guys. Thank you for watching. And please follow and subscribe, really help my page grow. And if you like Cefiros, like this tidy example, follow my mate John, that Cef dude. I'll put a link bio here of his Instagram. So give him a follow, he's a GC. And yeah, until the next video, I'll see you then. Peace out.